Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the STEM Fusion, a one-day workshop and student exhibition at the State Convention Centre in Shillong on Monday. The program was organized by the Northeast Centre for Technology, Application and Research, NECTAR, Smart Village Movement and ISCR Pune. The event was attended by Principal Secretary Sampath Kumar, NECTAR Director General Arun Kumar Sharma, Smart Village Movements Vivek Shah, Dr. S. Muthu Kumaran of the NIT, and the state's Director of Education. In his address, Conrad Sangma noted that science and mathematics were often seen as intimidating subjects and stressed the need to make them more engaging. He said initiatives such as a mobile lab on wheels, launched under the Smart Village program had already generated enthusiasm among students and called for more such facilities across the state. The Chief Minister also urged upon the Education Department to introduce regular science and mathematics competitions and make school visits to STEM labs as part of the academic calendar. He also emphasized that collaboration between government agencies, NECTAR, entrepreneurs and educators was crucial for expanding STEM learning opportunities, especially at the grassroots. To encourage innovation, Conrad Sangma announced prizes for the exhibition, including Rs 2 lakh for the top award, Rs 1 lakh for the second, 50,000 rupees for the third, and Rs 10,000 for each participating school. He also assured that select student projects would receive government funding support.
Great. Yes.
Go from point A to B without touching the wire. Otherwise, it's a buzzing sound. So it's a game. 6, 5, 8, 7. He just give you promotion.
That's great. So you made this whole thing yourself?
Yes, all three of them.
For three of you made together. So three of you all worked on these three projects together. In general, that feeling and that thought came to me when I was a student. And I'm sure that it comes to many students even now. And that really is the most unfortunate actually thing that has been happening for a large number of students, to our youngsters, especially in rural areas and even so in big urban areas also, but more in rural areas, I would say. I am actually a person who believes in competition. I want competitions at every level, because I've seen that when our children are made to participate in a competition and there is a reward for it, they actually work very hard to get that reward and they practice for it. So whether it's music, you will see they really practice their singing. Whether it's dancing, they will really practice because they know there's a competition coming up and there's a reward to be won once the competition, you do well in it. And sports. But for whatever reason, for us in education, we have not been able to develop this competition mode when it comes to intellectual aspects. So whereas music and skill and sports and dancing is very much part of competition spirit and activity, the intellectual aspect is not there. Starting maybe this year, we should have a science innovation competition at all the district levels, and then you should culminate it at the state level. You should have a good prize money for it, and in fact support that particular innovation to become a reality if it's good. and you can pose challenges in the competition. I think it's a great idea to open this up, especially to our students who are young, class 8, class 9, class 10. I think that is the point where they are starting to think in so many innovative manners. They're open up to new technology, ideas, information, whether it's on internet or even talking to friends. And I think it's a good time for us to put that innovative thought process and that idea that their innovation can become a reality and to create that excitement in them. I think will be a great way would be to have these science innovation competitions. So have it at the district level and then have it at the state level. And as I said, whatever funds are required to make it an interesting project. For example, you can have prize money amounting to 3 to 5 lakhs being given at the district level, even going up to even 15 to 20 lakhs at the state level. I think it's something that we should promote it. The children will be excited, and it's something, as I said, that will promote their interest in STEM and in general in the intellectual aspect. The second competition which I would like to also propose is a mathematics competition. I think we should have a competition in mathematics also, and our children should be, again, very excited and interested in different aspects. It could be anything. It could be fun aspects. It could be a Rubik's Cube, for example. How fast somebody can solve Rubik's Cube. It could be about addition, multiplication. All of these aspects, the children will practice because they know that competition is coming up in 3 months' time. So I don't have time to go here and there. I want to practice, I want to learn so that I can win that competition. I think that will then also create a lot of energy and a lot of positive, culture in the minds of the children. And maybe everybody won't win because everybody can't win, obviously. But can you imagine if 1,000 students in every district participate in that competition? That means this 1,000 kids, what they were in their mathematics and innovation and science interest, all that will go up to different levels.